Good morning, and thank you for being here. Javier Becerra, Attorney General for the great state of California. I'm joined by Senior Assistant Attorney General Robert Morgenstern, who is principally responsible for the work that we're about to announce, along with his colleague, Deputy Attorney General Ralph Sevilla, who did the work for what we're about to announce today. And I want to thank them and congratulate them for the work that they've done. We're here to announce criminal charges against the owners and operators of Mugshot.com, a cyber exploitation website. The website republishes booking photos and personal information from police and sheriff's departments' websites without the knowledge or the consent of the subjects who have this information published. Once an individual requests that their photo and other information be removed from the website, they are referred to a secondary website. And that website then goes on to charge the subject for removal of that information hundreds of dollars in order to get that photo and personal information removed. Not a small sum of money. The defendants named in our complaint are Sahar Sareed, Kishore Bhavnani, Thomas Kesey, and David Uzdan. 3 of the 4 individuals are being charged with 51 counts of conspiracy, extortion, attempted extortion, identity theft, and money laundering. The 4th, Mr. Uzdan, is charged with 7 counts, conspiracy, extortion, and identity theft. In the affidavit on file with the court, you can read about the people who have found themselves on Mugshots.com's website with their booking photos. Take Doug R. as an example. Well, he happened to be at a Walmart in Florida and was wrongly accused of shoplifting. Charges were never filed against him. Walmart, in fact, later sent him a letter of apology. That didn't seem to matter to Mugshots.com. Doug found his booking photo on Mugshots.com within 72 hours of his arrest. Fearing an impact on his job prospects, Doug contacted Mugshots.com, went through the process, and then ended up paying $399 to have his photo taken down. Or take the case of another subject who served time for a drug charge. She said that her booking photo on Mugshots.com has not only cost her a job, but has hurt her daughter. She told us that a classmate's mother had seen the photo of this subject on Mugshots.com and canceled a play date that this mother's daughter had with the subject's daughter. The mother had told this subject that, quote, her daughter was not going to play with the daughter of a drug dealer. There are other examples that we include in the complaint, in the affidavit that's been filed. But let's be clear. What Mugshots.com does is simple and sheer exploitation. No other way to put it. Plain and simple, cyber exploitation. The behavior alleged here was an attempt to profit off of humiliation. It's taking advantage of people who are trying to put their best foot forward and build a life for themselves and their families. I have to always remind people that, of course, we should remember that the charges that we're filing are, at this stage, only allegations. The defendants are presumed innocent until and unless proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. But the charges we bring today are truly the result of what happens when someone takes advantage of personal information and seeks to exploit that for financial gain. And clearly today, we want to thank people like Robert and Ralph and the team of investigators who made it possible for us to combat this cyber exploitation. This investigation into Mugshots.com was led by the multi-jurisdictional Northern California Computer Crimes Task Force. We assisted here at the Department of Justice in that investigation. We were also aided by state and local law enforcement agencies from around the country in serving the arrest warrants against the 4 subjects who are defendants in this action. And finally, to everyone who is out there who may have been a victim of mugshots.com, let me encourage you to file a police report with your local police department. If your booking photo was taken in California, or if you were in California when you contacted mugshots.com, then please contact our office, our e-crimes unit, at ecrimeunit@doj.ca.gov. Before I take any questions, I simply want to remind everyone who may watch or hear about this that you have rights. What mugshots.com was against the law, and we need your help to make sure that this type of cyber exploitation is stopped. But we need you to come forward. And so help us bring down those who would take advantage of you and try to profit off of your personal situation. With that, we'll take any questions.